Hey, you got a nice shape.
Yeah.
You got a proper one. I'll pick it up, trap, release one, pick it up. What's it? Yo, Sven! What's it?
It's a rubber lip.
Rubber lips. No other name.
Rubber lip, it's a political correct name.
Oh. Sure, sorry. Just on it. Yeah.
Yeah, you had a shark on that one.
Aye.
What do you call it?
Awesome.
Pick it up, boss. So I can see.
What?
You're gonna go over.
Rocky?
You can't, but you need to pick it up. Pushing the line sideways. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. The rock should be 50, eh? Show it, yeah? But it should make size. Just measure it inside.
I'm close. Camera here.
Make 40. This is a nice one, sorry.
Yeah. The bucket helps, eh?
Yeah. No. Keep it in front of you. Pick it up.
Okay.
Put your rod in the rod stand.
Okay.
Slide your thumb in there. Yeah. Now you got proper grip.
Both sides, eh?
No, just the one side.
One side, okay.
You got proper grip. Out of the gunnel.
Put in a bucket there.
You got a big fish.
Yeah, the rod to bend like that. Yo, sorry, that's a nice fish.
I got text.
Huh? Text.
Reel up more.
Yeah.
Reel up more.
Oh, a nice
Pick
one.
your stick straight up.
Okay.
Pick it up. Okay, now drop. Try not to go into all of this shit.
Nice. Oh, that size there. Yo, what a beaut.
It's just because short is short, eh? Try and keep your stick in front of you.
That's a size there. Hey.
Rahat bırakıyorsun.
Don't feel on here.
Bring it this side.
Bigger than.
Hey, nice Englishman. Stop. Pick him up, put him over the boat. Pick him up.
Triple hookup.
Don't know where to film, eh? Stop. Go down. Come in there, boss. Yo, sorry. The roads.
Yo.
Shorty, you slacking now? What's up, Jigs?
I haven't been doing any videos lately, you know?
Yeah.
Nah, I was just lazy, eh?
The guys like your videos.
Yeah, thing that caught me was Facebook that decided that they're taking off all the live videos. They only leave your live videos for 1 month. So I won't support Facebook anymore. They lost me as a creator.
Super, eh?
Yeah.
They change rules. I don't know why they do this funny thing.
Nah, they don't want to spend money in their computer system to keep all the videos. I mean, how many gigabyte is it, you know? So,
But your content is good. The views, they should delete those with like low views, you know?
yeah, I'll concentrate on YouTube. YouTube is not.
Yeah, YouTube got everything.
They leave your videos there. They don't chop and change like old Mark is a little bit stingy. Eh? He doesn't want to give anything. He doesn't want to spend money.
Yeah, the Jew.
He's a Jew boy.
He's a Jew through and through.
Shorty, come gaff je, please. Come gaff your geelbek.
Wat zeg je dat? Zo. Volop.
Dat is een lekker eetvis hier. Are you on? What is worrying you on the other side? What are you watching?
Maar dan gewoon een ventje.
Gebruiken we elkaar.
Nee,
Daarom.
hij zit vast. Geelbek.
Ja. Nice.
Shark. Ah.
English. Stop. Release the line. Release. Yeah. Sharp to stop. Release line. Right. There you go. Good strength.
Show me this side. Nice one, nice one.
Leo, you got your blind? On my left. Someone's blind cycle there. Hey, someone's blind there, Sean.
Yeah, this side. So they.
Nice down, nice down. You land the slack, wind them up. You land a slack. Not Englishman.
What do you got there, Shorty? Huh?
Englishman with a whole lot of lines.
Yes. Check whose one that is there in the end. There's one fish coming in the end.
Speak him up, Shorty. Shorty.
Yeah.
Shorty.
There's another fish there in the end. There's someone needs to read it. Size of fish.
Half moon rock out.
Came out.
That's 200 meters deep or what?
Boss, keep it tight, keep it tight. It's the hook's gonna come out there. Let go, you stuck there, boss. Let go line, you stuck. Sorry. Come here, stick under him, under him. Under and over.
No, it's the other way.
Other way, other way, other way.
Yeah. Right, right?
Lekker vis, hè? Ja, joh. Ja. Huh? Hey, big old boy. Lock on. Nice.
Release line.
No, no, no.
That's a fish. Straight. What? Stop over there. Where's this mother? There he is. Nice Englishman.
The side shooting.
To fight the others. Huh? Fuck.
No, the other one was bending around.
Yeah, proper. Other one is on the bottom hook.
What? The water's a little bit green for trolling, eh?
Not much, yeah?
Show it first, boss. Hold it. Show it this side.
Show him that.
Well done.
I was earlier on and I left it.
Nice one, Nick.
Real fast.
Whose fish is that flapping? Put him in the hatch, eh? Shark's on your ass, eh? Real.
Yo, man's a pain.
Oh,
Yo, put it on the boat. Put it on boat.
What do you say? I got my big boy.
Pick him up, boss.
Nice one.
Got my big boy.
Nice one. Don't stop, don't stop. Oh, stop. Nice Rocky. Pick him up. Pick up. Stop, stop. Don't wind up. Stop there. No. Pick him up. Wait, he caught me here. Go a little bit. Keep your stick down and away from him. Continue reading. No soldier there. On, you need to wind properly. Fast and hard. There's a lot of sharks here.
They tangle underneath.
You think so?
Yeah. Where's your
I
trace?
feel like
Reel, bring. You're on. Bring.
Come on.
They are tangled underneath.
Let go, you guys. Let the soak. Put it on the boat, boss. Put it on the boat. Wind. What you got there? Come this way. Keep your rod in front of you, boss. Keep your rod in front of you.
Like a red.